You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this commune in France, famous for a sad but landmark in history of France. A French word said as Crécy, Crécy. So you have the Battle of Crécy. Crécy is how you say it. Crécy is how to pronounce it. Crécy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.